To call off. To cancel. To call on. To make a short visit. To invite a person to speak. To call up. To telephone to. To call people for military services.
For example, to call off. To cancel. The match has been called off as the ground is too wet. To call on. 1. To make a short visit. We called on an old school friend when we were in phase. 2. To invite a person to speak. I'm now going to call on Mr. Black to speak. To call up. 1. To telephone to. Please call me up when you get home. 2. To call people for military services. If war broke out, they would be called up at once.